Hi guys, today's makeup is all about how to do a nude makeup. So to prepare my skin, I am using Amberlace moisturizer. So take a small amount of cream and gently apply it all over your face and on your neck as well. It also gives you a dewy finish. Next, I am using the Pore Professional Primer from Benefit. I am going to apply the primer only on my T-zone or the areas where I have visible pores. So take a small amount of primer on your fingertip and gently dab it into your skin. I always apply lip balm at the start of my makeup for my lipsticks to stay longer. So next I'll be applying the concealer from MAC in shade 30 under my eyes. And next I'll be applying some solid concealer on the dark areas on my face. So keep on blending the concealer till you get the desired result. Now I'll be using MAC Prep and Prime Spray to set my makeup. So now guys, I'm going to prepare my eyes for the eye makeup. I am applying the concealer from Kryolan in the shade Ivory. One should never forget to set your concealer with the help of a translucent powder after applying the concealer. Now guys, I'm going to apply the foundation on my face. This is again from MAC and the shade name is 35. So now guys, we'll start the eye makeup and the palette which I'm using is from Morphe. The product description I've already mentioned in the description box. I have literally used only two eyeshadows for my eye makeup. So the eyeshadow which I'm applying right now is Play It Cool from Morphe palette. The palette number is 35M and the shimmer which I'll be applying is Light of the Party. So in the next steps guys, I'm going to apply the kajal. This process is completely optional as the purpose of this look is to keep the makeup minimal. In place of kajal, you can also apply the eyeliner if you wish to. So here kajal is my most favorite product, so I usually prefer applying it. So to prepare my brows, I am going to use the Forever 52 eyebrow pomade. So here I'm using the concealer to give my eyebrows a proper shape. So guys, now I'm applying the Maybelline concealer. So again guys, if you want you can skip this step because we have already applied one concealer. So if you wish to keep your makeup minimal, I would recommend you to apply the concealer after applying the foundation. Now the next most important step after applying the concealer is baking. I am using the translucent powder from Airspun. So apply the translucent powder on the areas where you have applied the concealer and leave it for few minutes. Last step to prepare our eyes is to apply the mascara, which is again from Forever 52. Now I'll brush the excess powder from the face. So guys, let's complete the look with the help of a lipstick. I am here using the Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte in shade 10. So guys, here is the complete makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's makeup video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload any makeup video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye.